vast expanse of the universe, two majestic galaxies stand out among the rest, the Andromeda galaxy and the Milky Way. But what would happen if these two cosmic giants were to collide? Scientists believe that Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course, and they will eventually merge into a single larger galaxy. However, this event is not expected to happen until another 4.5 billion years. But how could this take place? Well, both Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are gravitationally bound to each other, meaning that their respective gravitational pull keeps them moving in the same direction as they approach each other. Their gravitational forces will become stronger, causing them to slow down and eventually collide and create an offspring called Milkdromeda.